Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening the app and loading a duplicate of your photo. You want a safe copy so mistakes don't overwrite the original. Use the app's auto-detect or quick mask to isolate the subject. If edges are complex, switch to the brush for fine control. Once the subject is isolated, tap Remove Background or Layer Mask to create a transparent base. Make sure to zoom in and check hair or intricate edges before moving on to insertion. Now you refine the mask so the subject looks natural. You'll use the Refine Edge brush to smooth hair and remove halos. Once refined, add a new background layer beneath the subject. Choose from solid color, gradient, or another photo. You must match lighting and color. Lower contrast or warm the background to match the subject's tones, and use blur to simulate depth of field. Once satisfied with placement, lock layers and prepare for final corrections. Finish by applying global adjustments so subject and background blend. Tweak exposure, color balance, and shadows until they read as one scene. Export as PNG to preserve transparency or JPG for flattened images. Save a layered project file if you expect future edits. If you notice fringes or mismatched edges, zoom in and repaint the mask, or apply a small feather of 1 to 5 pixels. This usually removes hard cutouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.